Hi everyone, I'm Sim Gakhar, life insurance and investments advisor. Welcome to my 1 minute insurance wisdom. My today's topic is traditional needs. So many times people ask me, why do I need insurance? What is the need for insurance in this life? In this video, I'm going to tell you why there is a need for insurance. Number one, income replacement. In case something happens to you and you're not able to live the life the way you're leading right now, how is this income going to be coming to you? Insurance can be a very good tool which can give you that peace of mind that in case something happens to you, your family can still run the same way and insurance will help you. Number two, debt payment. Debt is a big part of anybody's. In fact, most of the people in Canada have debt. We have debt with mortgage. We have so many debts. Insurance can give you the peace of mind that debt can be taken care of. Number three, funding buy sell partnership agreements. In case you are in partnership in business, insurance can give you again a big peace of mind that the partnership can be funded using insurance. Number four, key person coverage. The business is your baby. You're the one who's running it. You're the one who knows the business inside out. In case you're not able to work, someone has to take care of it. You have to replace yourself. And how are you going to pay that person? How is that baby of yours going to run? Insurance can be a very good help there. Insurance can replace and bring somebody that you can trust, and the show can go on. Number five, estate tax. Of course, estate planning is a very big need, and insurance plays a very big role in estate planning. Number six, wealth cascade to next generation. We all make money. We want to pass it on to the next generation. We want our wealth to stay in our families. Insurance can be a very good, helpful tool and which can give you the peace of mind that the wealth will stay in the family. And number seven, your favorite, charitable giving. All of us want to leave money for our favorite charity. A lot of cultures, a lot of religions really favor that. And while working, we have so many other expenses that sometimes it gets very hard. Even if you want to do it, you're not able to do it. So insurance is the way that in case something happens to you, a portion of your assets, a portion of your whatever you wish can go to your favorable charity. Insurance can help you set that up. Please feel free to call me and I can help you setting all these traditional needs so that you have a permanent peace of mind. I'm Sim Gakhar, 647-889-7290. Thank you.